we're sending a clear message that the right to a fair trial is not optional, it's a fundamental human right. Let me be very, very clear. Our fight is not with victims. Our fight is with the Scottish judiciary and the way it's been influenced and politicised. Shame on you! Shame on you! Shame on you! Shame on you! Shame on you!
And you know, the thing is that we all could have ignored this. Because these aren't people who are educated, they're not people who are articulate, they're not people that have any influence. But what they are doing is they're attacking survivors. And that is something that we must call out. We must show that Scotland stands with survivors and against disgusting rapists!
I feel like my chest is so tight. I felt so anxious and so scared to come down here because I knew that I would be met with a group that includes convicted rapists, convicted domestic abusers and people that support them, and that's a really scary thing. And it's a group that's personally targeted me. It's a group that said that I'm disgusting. It's a group that said that I'm scum. It's a group that has said that I'm a false accuser. So it's really hard for me to be here, but I feel like it's so important that I am here.
Yeah.
We are campaigning for a change in the law, and we're here today to make our voices heard on that matter.
Today's protest is all about fighting for fair trials. We believe that recent introductions into law in Scotland has basically denied men the right of a fair trial. It certainly concerns which are obviously echoed by some of our top legal professionals, as you will have seen, in the Herald and in the Guardian, etc. So yeah, we're just here because we want the public to be made aware. This could happen to anybody. I mean, certainly a lot of us in this group were not aware until we went through it personally, and so we feel that the public should know, and maybe they should actually have a little bit of consideration before, brandishing people, certain names or targeting their family members when they don't actually necessarily realise about the amount of evidence that wasn't allowed to be shown before the jury reached their verdict. As I've been saying all day, we are not for one single second saying that every man convicted in prison is innocent. We're well aware that it is only a small minority, but a small minority nonetheless. They should not be committing, time all for statistics to look good to the public. So that's why we will continue to fight for fair trials so that, juries can get to see all the information before coming to that decision.
I feel quite intimidated by them because, I have read some of their posts online and they're quite venomous and, quite spiteful and very, very much against all victims. They don't seem to, sort of discriminate for one. If you're a victim, you're a liar, you're doing it for the money, there's all sorts of things they say, which is not true. I didn't go to court for recognition. I've not received a penny. I did it for justice. No more hiding in the shadows. Tell your story. Be out there. Don't be ashamed. Don't be frightened. I've spent 47 years being frightened. But that's it. No more. I'm done with hiding.